Ever wondered how our daily lives are increasingly governed by the seamless interaction of physical processes and computer systems? This, my friends, is the fascinating world of cyber-physical systems, or CPS for short. These systems are the symbiosis of the physical world and the realm of data processing, creating a seamless blend of the tangible and the virtual. CPS are indispensable across a multitude of sectors. Let's consider industry, for instance. In factories, CPS enable automation, allowing processes to run with minimal human intervention. This not only improves efficiency, but also significantly reduces the potential for human errors. In healthcare, CPS are vital for monitoring patient vitals and administering precise doses of medication, contributing greatly to patient safety and improved outcomes. Now, think about transportation. CPS play a crucial role in traffic management and vehicle navigation, facilitating safer and more efficient journeys. From smart traffic lights that adapt to real-time traffic conditions to autonomous vehicles that can self-navigate, CPS are revolutionizing our roads. But it's not just these sectors. Whether it's energy, agriculture, or even entertainment, the impact of CPS is far-reaching, enhancing efficiency and safety across the board. They're responsible for monitoring and managing an array of processes, from the electricity flowing into our homes, to the water irrigating our fields, and even the roller coasters thrilling us at theme parks. The role of CPS extends beyond just operations. They're also pivotal in improving our understanding of these systems and processes. By capturing and analyzing data, CPS provide valuable insights, enabling us to make informed decisions and drive continual improvements. So why is this important? Well, as our world becomes more digitized and interconnected, the role of CPS will only continue to grow. They're the backbone of our smart cities, the nerve center of our industries, and the heartbeat of our healthcare systems. Indeed, the development and research of CPS forms a critical trajectory in modern technologies. Their importance cannot be overstated, and their potential is truly limitless. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, CPS will be right there with us, shaping our future and redefining our world. The journey of CPS has been one of constant evolution and advancements. Cyber-physical systems, or CPS, have come a long way since their inception, evolving from simple, isolated systems to complex, interconnected networks that seamlessly integrate computation, networking, and physical processes. CPS were initially designed to automate and control physical processes. However, the goalposts have shifted over time. Today, the focus isn't just on automation, but on creating intelligent systems that can adapt to changing environments and perform their functions efficiently. And this evolution is no accident. It's the result of dedicated research and development efforts aimed at pushing the boundaries of what CPS can do. This journey has seen CPS become a cornerstone of critical sectors such as healthcare, transportation, and industry. They've transformed these sectors by automating processes, improving efficiency, and enhancing safety. But the journey isn't over. The world of CPS is dynamic, and there's always room for improvement. The evolution of CPS is driven by advancements in various technologies. For instance, the Internet of Things, or IoT, has played a significant role in the development of CPS. IoT enables the connection of physical objects to the internet, thereby opening up vast possibilities for monitoring and controlling these objects. From smart homes to smart cities, IoT has become an integral part of CPS. Similarly, cloud computing has revolutionized CPS by providing centralized data storage and processing, as well as computational resources on demand. This is particularly important for CPS, which work with large volumes of data that require fast and reliable processing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning also play a crucial role in CPS. They enable CPS to analyze data, make predictions, and make autonomous decisions based on the available information. This makes CPS flexible and adaptable to changes in the environment. Security is a non-negotiable requirement for CPS. With increasing cyber threats and hacks, researchers are actively working on methods to protect CPS from potential threats. This includes developing new encryption methods, user authentication, and anomaly detection systems. Hence, numerous technologies are being actively explored and developed to realize this aim. The journey of CPS is far from over. As technologies continue to evolve and improve, we can expect to see more functional and efficient CPS systems in the future. One such technology that plays a crucial role in CPS is the Internet of Things, or IoT. This technology is a game changer, as it allows physical objects to connect with the internet, thereby creating a vast network of interconnected devices. This interconnection opens up enormous possibilities in monitoring and control, transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Imagine your everyday household items, from your refrigerator to your thermostat, all communicating, sharing data, and making decisions on their own. This is the magic of IoT in action. These smart devices can sense changes in their environment and respond accordingly. For instance, a smart thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your habits and preferences, or your smart fridge can alert you when you're out of milk. This is what we call a smart home, where the mundane tasks of everyday life are automated, making our lives easier and more convenient. But IoT's influence doesn't stop at our front door. It extends to our cities, creating what we call smart cities. In a smart city, IoT devices are embedded into the city's infrastructure, monitoring everything from traffic flow to air quality. For example, smart traffic lights can adjust their timing based on real-time traffic conditions, reducing congestion and improving traffic flow. Similarly, smart grids can monitor and control the distribution of electricity, improving efficiency and reducing waste. However, IoT is not just about making our lives easier. It also plays a critical role in industries such as healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, where it enables real-time monitoring and control of various processes, increasing efficiency and ensuring safety. In healthcare, for instance, IoT devices can monitor a patient's vital signs and alert medical professionals of any abnormalities, potentially saving lives. In transportation, IoT can track vehicles, ensuring timely delivery of goods and reducing operational costs. And in manufacturing, IoT can monitor and control production processes, improving quality and reducing waste. Undeniably, IoT has become an integral part of CPS. Its ability to connect physical objects to the internet, enabling real-time monitoring and control, is revolutionizing industries and transforming our lives. Its potential is vast and its impact profound. As we continue to explore and harness the power of IoT, one thing is clear: the future of CPS is bright, and IoT is at its heart. Another technology that significantly impacts CPS is cloud computing. This ingenious innovation allows centralized storage and data processing, offering a storage solution that's both scalable and accessible. It's like a virtual treasure chest where all the data can be safely stored and easily retrieved whenever needed. But it doesn't stop at storage. Cloud computing also offers computational resources on demand. Need to process a vast amount of data in a short time? Cloud computing has got you covered. Now, why is this important for CPS? Well, cyber-physical systems often deal with large volumes of data that require fast and reliable processing. Imagine a self-driving car that needs to analyze data from multiple sensors in real time, or a smart factory that needs to process data from thousands of machines simultaneously. In such scenarios, the power of cloud computing becomes evident. Cloud computing thus plays a pivotal role in the efficient functioning of CPS. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are other technologies that are transforming CPS. These advanced technologies empower CPS to not only process vast volumes of data, but also make sense of it. Through artificial intelligence, CPS can analyze and interpret data, enabling them to understand patterns, trends, and even anomalies. This understanding can be further enhanced through machine learning. By learning from historical data, machine learning algorithms can predict future trends, anticipate potential issues, and even devise solutions. This predictive capability is crucial in many sectors such as healthcare, where anticipating patient health risks can save lives, or in manufacturing, where predicting machine failure can prevent costly downtime. Moreover, AI and machine learning allow CPS to make autonomous decisions based on real-time data. This autonomy makes CPS highly adaptive, adjusting to changes in their environment without human intervention. AI and machine learning are thus instrumental in making CPS more adaptive and efficient. With the growing threats of cyber attacks and hacks, security is a paramount consideration in CPS. In an era where technology is interwoven into the fabric of our lives, the security of cyber-physical systems, or CPS, is of utmost importance. This importance is not just tied to the protection of data and sensitive information, but also because the well-being of individuals and entire communities can be at stake. Researchers are actively working on methods to shield CPS from potential threats. This work is not a simple task, as the threats are continually evolving and becoming more sophisticated. As such, the defense mechanisms must also be dynamic and adaptable. One of the main lines of defense is the development of new encryption methods. Encryption is essentially the process of converting information or data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. As hackers become more adept at breaking these codes, researchers must stay one step ahead, creating more complex and secure encryption techniques. Alongside encryption, user authentication plays a crucial role in CPS security. This process verifies the identity of the user before granting access to the system, acting as a gatekeeper. Traditional methods of user authentication like passwords and PINs are being supplemented with biometrics and two-factor authentication for added security. Moreover, the implementation of anomaly detection systems is another significant stride in securing CPS. These systems monitor the behavior of the CPS and flag any unusual activity, which could indicate a potential security breach. This early detection can allow for swift action to be taken, mitigating the impact of any attack. In conclusion, the security of CPS is a complex and ongoing challenge. Yet, it is a challenge that must be met with vigor and determination. As we continue to rely more on these systems, the importance of their security only increases. The continuous development and improvement of CPS technologies, including IoT, cloud computing, AI, and security, are paving the way for more functional and efficient CPS that play a vital role in enhancing productivity and optimizing processes in various sectors.